Hello my friends! Today we ride from Dubai to TV. TV is in Oman. What a picture! I But first I have to proudly announce my online shop. Yeah. You can buy a cool t-shirt, a nice sweater, and a warm hoodie. And for women we have a tank top and really amazing leggings. For our young friends we have a bit, a cute body. For relaxing time you need maybe a cup, a comfy pillow, a bandana for dogs, a lovely teddy, and of course a Christmas teddy, even a Christmas tiger. So take a look, there are of course many more articles. But now, let's go! Oh my god, I really hate that when somebody don't look in the mirrors. The last bit in the Emirates was really beautiful.
Hello? Hello? Salam?
Yamaha?
Yamaha.
Yamaha.
Yeah.
Tourist.
Can I send him a second hand?
Ah. 700 cc. Zabardast.
Thank you.
Okay.
But the people in Oman are very friendly. This is Muscat, the capital of Oman. And the buildings are all white. The funny things are the streets. No traffic, but at least 2 lanes in one direction. Why not? Finally, I arrived. My accommodation. Yeah. And on the next day, I visited the Wadi shop, only accessible by boat. Wadi means village with a river, if my information is correct. After a short walk, I reached this stunning area. was really refreshing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.